Hello, my name is Milvad, and today we are going to install the Pest plugin on my editor or, for example, IDE. So we are going step by step to master in the Pest PHP. So here, if you go to pestphp.com and docs and editor setup section, you can see in the getting started. Here you can see Pest has a plugin can install on your, for example, IDE to work with Pest very easy. So Pest, it's in the Pest PHP official, but my GitHub didn't work now because I need to verify two-factor authentication. So you can see Pest support PHPStorm, VSCode, and also VSCode snippets, and also NeoVim. I don't know it's true, say NeoVim or not. So and let's go to install. So first I open the VS Code, and also when let's write again. For example, you can write Pest, and here you can see better Pest. The Pest official documentation recommended to install the better Pest extension, but you can install the other extension. For example, Pest syntax highlighter or Pest snippets and something else. And you can install and work with the Pest very easy. So it's a VS Code, and also you can install the Pest on the PHPStorm. I'm already installed, but I need to update the Pest, and you can install the Pest, and that is not very hard to install the plugin, but is not necessary to install. But if you want to write Pest on your, for example, on your project, it's better to install the Pest plugin to show the, for example, suggest of the methods. For example, if you want to write expect in the Pest, for example, write E and X and show the namespace or sorry, so show the suggest of the Pest methods, and it's not very necessary, but I suggest to install. So here I need to restart my ID, and that's it. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel and also like my video. I think in the introduction, the Pest video, some friends add comments for me, and I very happy to see, and I hope to make a good tutorial for you. Until next video, good